So this time last year, I shared a preschool curriculum and supplies haul as we started our first year of homeschooling. Fast forward almost a year later, and we just celebrated my daughter graduating from preschool. I've said this many times, but I never thought I would be a homeschool mom. It wasn't something I planned to do. It's something that I have felt is just the best fit for our family. And I honestly have really fallen in love with it and do feel that it is the best fit for us. So I have just been pleasantly surprised by how well both of us are enjoying homeschooling. My daughter is thriving. I love it as well. I love that time that we have together and learning together. It's really been a really special year. So I'm excited. We just finished preschool and now I'm excited to start pre-K together. So today's video will really be two parts. The first part, I'll be sharing a flip through of the pre-K curriculum that I've chosen for us for this upcoming school year. The second part, I'm going to be sharing some learning resources because I know from how my daughter likes to learn that really hands-on learning is really fun. So these are some items that I have for us for our pre-K year that I'll be sharing with you. I'm also going to put timestamps below. So if there's a certain thing that you're looking for in this video, you can jump ahead to that part of the video, or you can just watch all the way through. So this is our pre-K program that we're going to get started with in the new school year. I learned about the gentle and classical press from a mom friend of mine, Courtney, who also homeschools, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna be sharing a flip through of all the elements of this program with you because I know as a homeschool mom, I really like to see the curriculum. I like to see pages of a program and really what's included. So I'm going to be sharing all of that with you. But first I thought I would share with you why I chose the gentle and classical press for our pre-K year. So I enjoyed the preschool program that I selected for last year. However, it was lacking some elements that I was interested in and that my daughter was interested in, such as elements of nature and art and faith. And I felt that I was looking for and making activities for those elements and then adding them into our school days on top of the program that we were already doing. So what I love about the gentle and classical press is how faith, art, music, nature is such a key part of this program. Okay, are you guys ready for the flip through? So as my daughter's starting pre-K, we went with the primer bundle. Included in this bundle is a teacher's guide. So this is the teacher's guide that walks you through how the program works, tips and encouragement. This program is divided into 3 terms and overall has 36 units. So each unit is 12 units. This program can be broken down to 1 unit a week to work through this program within a year, or you can do 1 unit every 2 weeks and extend this program over 2 years. There's also a list of books that you will need for this program as well. As you can see, for each unit, there's a virtue, a manners and hygiene, a hymn, there's math, there's a catechism and Bible story and scripture to get to know God better. There's a wonder tale and a nursery rhyme. There's also poetry as well as an art and music study. Included in the primer is also a morning binder. So we already have something a little bit similar, a morning binder, a busy binder that has multiple pages that we put in a menu sleeve, these like reusable menu sleeves that my daughter really loves. And so I'm really excited about this because she just flies through that content and she's ready for more. So I know she's gonna love the kindergarten morning binder. Although my daughter's not technically in kindergarten, she's 4, we're starting on our pre-K year, developmentally she is ready for a lot of the content in these pages based on what we've learned already and her skill set. So I know that this morning binder will be perfect for her. Here's a look at some of the memory statement cards, which cover math, character plus catechism, scripture plus Bible, art plus music, poetry, wonder tales, and nursery rhymes. Included in this bundle is also the watercolor ABC flashcards. There are 19 cards devoted to blends and digraphs. There's also an art and music pack. This pack includes instructions for each unit, as well as artist, instrument, and art element studies. It also includes 6 elements of art posters. Storyboard set. So I know my daughter's really going to be excited about this. These storyboard sets bring the stories to life that you read through this program, and children are able to act out and tell back the stories with hands-on learning and fun. This bundle also includes a morning time itinerary and plans to help organize your school days, along with a very convenient getting started checklist to walk you through specific printing and organization of the bundle. If you decide to get the digital pack, you can also choose to have everything printed and mailed to you. So this program encourages you to make a big board to display each element of the unit that you're working on. Here is what mine looks like. I used a big piece of cardboard, which makes it really lightweight and easy to move around, but you could also use corkboard or any type of other board that you like. In addition to the primer bundle, we'll be working our way through the nature program as well. We are big nature fans and spend a lot of time outdoors exploring and going on nature adventures. So having a nature study to include in our school year is really going to be fun. I'm not sure yet the frequency of how we'll incorporate this into our school rhythm. I really like to see as we start the year what's flowing naturally. However, what I'm anticipating is to maybe have one day a week devoted to our nature study. But here's a flip through of what the nature program includes. I also got a preschool morning binder. So while I'm not starting preschool with my son yet, he's very interested in everything his sister is doing, and he asks to do school as well. So having his own morning binder is really going to be a great way to include him and give him exposure to letters and just really fun learning as well. And then when he's ready to start preschool, a little bit more formally, he'll have his preschool morning binder for him as well. So in our morning binder, it is recommended to use an item like these little base 10 counting blocks. So these are really great for counting. They are great for hands-on learning, and they are from a company called Learning Resources, which they have so many incredible items for learning, hands-on learning, which is a style of learning that my daughter really enjoys. So I decided it would be fun to get a variety of different items for our pre-K year, and I'm going to share them with you right now, and I will link them below in the video description box as well. If you want to learn more about this program, I've included a link below in the video description box, and of course you can leave a comment and ask me any questions that you have. I also share our homeschooling adventures often on Instagram in my Instagram stories, so if you like to see more behind the scenes and day in the life of homeschooling, and if you want to see us using this curriculum throughout the year, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Healthy Grocery Girl and also watching our Instagram stories.